Need to plan a Zoom meeting in advance. Whether you're organizing a business meeting, online class, team discussion, webinar, or virtual event, Zoom makes scheduling meetings quick and easy. In this guide, I'll show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting in 2026. First, open the Zoom application or visit the Zoom website and sign in to your account. Once logged in, you'll have access to meeting scheduling tools. From the Zoom home screen, click the Schedule button. This will open the meeting creation window where you can configure your meeting details. Add a meeting title, select the meeting date, choose the start time, and set the expected duration. This information helps participants know exactly when to join. Customize your meeting settings. You can enable waiting rooms, require meeting passwords, allow participants to join before the host, and choose video and audio preferences. Once all settings are configured, click Save. Zoom will generate a meeting ID, invitation link, and joining information automatically. Copy the invitation details and send them to participants through email, messaging apps, calendars, or collaboration tools. Make sure everyone receives the meeting link and passcode if required. Before the meeting begins, review your scheduled meetings from the Meetings section. You can edit settings, update invitations, or start the meeting directly from there. For easier scheduling, connect Zoom with calendar services like Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. This helps automate invitations and reminders. And that's how to schedule a Zoom meeting in 2026. By setting up meetings in advance, configuring the right options, and sending invitations early, you can ensure your virtual events run smoothly. So schedule your next Zoom meeting and stay organized. Thanks for watching.